the shot right here, but these these light bulbs that come in the fan itself are very yellow. And so we've got some new ones that are brighter and are white light. I think they're 5,000 Kelvin. So here's the box that it comes in, 5,000 Kelvin. Use these pretty much anywhere. They are 40 watt, 5,000 lumens. And so anyway, let me show you what came in the fan. So what comes in these fans are Westinghouse bulbs. And this is what you get. This is the bulb that comes in there. Just a yellow color, not very bright at all, and doesn't have enough lumens, and it's yellow. So here's a comparison to what I'm putting in. You can see the bulb is just way bigger. So I'll screw this in and you'll be able to see the difference in how much brighter it is. And it's already much whiter and more daylight in the room. Camera can focus in on the two bulbs at all. There's one white and one yellow. So you can see the difference just with one bulb in. That's the close-up on it. And the difference in color that you see. And so let's switch it out with another one. And there you go. Now both of them are in. And already a huge difference in this room. Huge difference in this room with the amount of brightness. So definitely recommend these lights. They definitely add a lot of brightness and light to your room, and our LEDs. They're called corn bulbs. So anyway, definitely check these out and I highly recommend.